All right, we've got to get our waistline pipe ran on the back side of this bed so we're not blocking plants later. Get tied into our deep seal here. And that's one project while we're here. So we're gonna get this ran today. All right, the ditch is finished out to here. We've got to get a downspout pipe out of our way, and then we'll start plumbing that in. All right, we had to go down and back up to get under this downspout pipe that was in the way. We also found out it's clogged with roots and mud. We'll have to clean that later, but we're going under and back up, and then we'll move down the line. All right, we're down to this corner, and we'll have to add a coupler, come over, and boom, boom, boom. All right, we've run this over to our clean out deep P-trap. Just about to tie it in. All right, we're tied in. Now we've covered all up. All right, we're going to leave this open so we can get back to that downspout pipe and hook it to this downspout. We got our ditch covered up, ready for us to come back in and do our planting. So, job accomplished.